Yo guys, what's going on? Monday 86 here, back with the 2004 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, and today we're going to be installing these cup holder inserts with the Ford logo in them. They are light up pucks. Let's go ahead and see what they look like inside the truck. Hope you guys enjoy. Here we are inside the Sport Trac with the light up cup holder pucks. Got the Ford blue rocking right there. Looking pretty awesome going through the sequence there. We can change them to any color you want. They are motion activated, so they will shut off, turn back on. Let's go ahead and try a couple water bottles out, see what they look like. We got a couple of clear water bottles here. Looking pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and change some different colors up, see what they look like. We got the pucks running through their color changing mode right now. Just giving off a lot of different colors. Pretty cool setting on there. Just give it a second. Let it run through its colors. Motion activated. That is pretty cool. It's on its color changing mode again. Just drops right into your existing cup holders. Nice little addition. Add some color and a unique appearance to the inside of your Sport Trac. Alright, you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Monday to 6. Out.